How to upload photos to Canva app. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you upload photos to Canva app. So let's get started. On this process, at first, as you have to open the application Canva. Alright, after you open Canva, you will got such interface. So from here, at the bottom, tap on plus icon. From your create a new project, as you can also custom the size, or you can also go with the option default like Instagram your story or email signature. So right now I'm tapping on Instagram post. Alright, once you have opened your project, at the bottom you'll have to swipe right and go with the option upload. From here you can as usual go with the option upload files. Okay, from this section you can know that here are multiple options to upload photos to Canva app, as you can also go with your device, Google Drive, Instagram, Facebook or some other platform. So if you want to upload from your device, tap on device. From here choose your library like photo library, or you can as usual take photo or video by using your camera. Right now I'm tapping on photo library. And from this section you'll have to just choose any photos or picture whom you want to add on Canva. In my case, I will select this random picture from here, and after you select it, tap on add, just add the top right. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully added picture from my device to Canva, and now from here, you'll have to just select the picture whom you want to upload on Canva. So simply tap on anyone. Alright, after you tap on that picture, you'll be able to upload or add that picture on your Canva design. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.